Hi guys, it's Shani from Yiannimize, and today we have something a little bit special. The team have already jumped on it and started to strip it, so I'm going to show you what it is. It's a Porsche 550 Spyder. It's very different and we've never had a car like this here before. I actually don't know what we're doing to this. Bert and Naomi, I think, are going to be working on this car. Naomi's standing there on ceremony. Naomi, let me just go to Naomi. Naomi, what are we doing?
Okay, so we're just going to be adding details. So we're putting a bonnet stripe, stripe down the back, and some text on the doors. So
that is exactly what we're going to do to the car. Watch Naomi work on that Porsche, and that noise was from Mark in the back. It was Nico.
So today we are in the new design studio, which is a work in progress. But I'm with Naomi. We are working on the Porsche 550 Spyder. If you don't know anything about this car, this is the car, not this particular one, but this is the car that James Dean actually died in. So Google that, check that out. But the guys from DT10 have come back to us. Previously they wrapped a McLaren MP412C with us in satin gold chrome with the stripes. They're essentially coming back and they want the stripes back on their gold car. We have brought some sketches up into the design studio. We're actually making them a reality now.
The hardest bit is probably just going to be making sure the stripe is straight. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
That was not me. That was look. That was not me. Let's start again.
Cancel that one.
Let's start again.
Stripe. I'm currently laying orange. Oh my god. So yesterday you saw me lay the base stripe. Today I'm laying knifeless and orange tape to make sure the lines are straight before I lay the next vinyl.
there it is, guys, the second car we've done for Mr. Daley Thompson. If you click here, you can see the first video we've done with his McLaren, and now we've completed this. We just added some subtle decals, obviously the 10 for the Decathlon, down the side, the Golden Wonder. We've also added some PPF to that to make sure that when it's cleaned, it doesn't come unstuck or it doesn't lift. I've got the helmet, that's obviously uniformed with the car, and it's got all the comms pack as well inside, so when you're driving around, because it's got no roof, you can hear, you can be on your phone, etc. But there it is. Let me know what you guys think. It is very cool to do a car that is old school compared to all the new cars we've done. I love this car, and obviously Daley Thompson is an absolute legend. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Take care.